What's up, guys? It's Mr. Griffin, and there's Ugly.
Hello.
Okay, so today we are going to be playing some truth or dare. That's what we want to do, but
And
it's going to be like
in the park too.
Yeah, so we're like in this like park area,
Which is a really cool park, by the way. Like, look at what I'm standing on.
Hold up, let's just show him the view, and then look at what he's standing on. It's a wobbly thing.
Yeah.
Yay! Wobble wobble.
Jiggle, jiggle.
Sass among us. So we're gonna be playing some truth or dare. So
Hopefully I don't say anything sus among us there.
okay, so I'll start first. Okay?
We should start in the field.
No. Okay, but I dare you. My first dare you to go. You see that porta potty? I dare you to go in that porta potty and moan. All right, Augie. Here it is. You're doomed. I'm gonna keep it open. You just gotta moan. Okay, that's good enough. All right, what's your dare for me?
All right, I dare you to go run into the woods.
Ooh, okay.
I'll go with you though.
No. Just watch the bikes, okay?
All right, or we could bring them into the woods with us.
No, let's just watch the bikes.
All right.
Alright, probably won't. There's a trail though. Let me show you guys. What? No one cares about you throwing balls. There's a path. There's a whole path. Hold up, bro. I'm looking. What? Oh, okay, cool. Guys, this person has it in their whole backyard.
Practically in my front yard.
But we can't show you the house. Bruh.
Be sus. And then you jumping into my bed.
That's probably, what the Sigma? That's probably the least of your worries. I have no clue, but like, guys,
Guys, I have a thingy-mabobby.
comment down below if you think Augie is weird.
Guys, look at my thingy-mabobby.
Don't bump it, don't bump it.
We
It's just perfectly balancing on the butt, like on the seats. Okay, guys, so
Yo, wait, guys, remember this from last video? Or, well, the ghost hunting video? If you guys have seen it while you're watching this. I threw a stick.
yeah. So guys, go watch this video. That video, because that video was so goated.
But it is kind of long, so if you guys don't like long videos,
No,
don't watch it.
most of my viewers like longer videos.
But if you don't, and you just like shorts, I can't blame you.
I can.
Alright, so I'll tell you where I saw this.
Okay, it's hard vlogging and biking.
What?
It's so hard vlogging and biking. Well, guys, it's gonna have to do until my birthday, where I asked for a GoPro, and that will be so much easier if I actually get it. What? I can't slow down. Oh. Let's go see if there's any more. Alright. Alright, let's see if they like loop or something. Okay, guys. It's so hard biking and vlogging. The backpack is just for the iPad to come in. I'm looking, but I can't find anything, guys. Which is so weird. Augie, I can't find a way out. You did? All right, I'm circling around. All right, he said he found something. Hold up, I'm coming. I'm coming, bro. Bro, I'm coming. Chill out, bro. All right. Did you leave your bike outside? Where's the entrance? I can't find the entrance. Bro, come back. I can't find the entrance. Bro, I can't find the entrance. He's saying there's the cool stuff in there and I can't find the dang entrance. Oh, sorry guys. Bro, I can't find the entrance. Okay. How do you get out? In? Bruh. Where are you? You better be. Alright, that's the entrance. Where did you come in?
I think we need to cut for a second so that we can
Alright guys, so alright, so maybe. So you just dared me to go in the woods and now we found Bro! What is this?
There's a big hill right there. You know we can turn this like
Maybe. Should I go down that hill? Switch the bike.
Go up this little ramp right here.
Oh, what is that? That looks like someone made a ramp or something. Weird.
Oh my god, so you would go up that, like you would try to go down the hill, go up that.
Let's walk up the hill and see what we can find. Yeah. Acting on your best behavior. Nothing ever lasts forever. What? I don't even see a path, bro. I just
There's like a big log. See this right here? It's like a little turn.
yeah.
You go on the ramp.
All right, let's go back.
You want to try to clean this place up a bit?
Maybe we can do that later.
Alright, I'll camera maybe.
Let's walk over this way. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go down that hill, so let's turn around. You better get this. Yeah. No, I think we should just try. Yeah, well, I'm wearing my bra. That sucks for you.
I might actually
No! No! That's a skill issue. It's funny. Alright guys, so there's a sketchy hill. So Augie is going to be filming me at the bottom and I'm going to ride it.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna ride it.
Yeah.
Well, actually, my bike is fine.
Alright, you probably want to get the best shot from right here. Acting on your best behavior, nothing ever lasts forever. Don't copyright me, YouTube.
I mean, it's not consistent, yeah, because you're not the original artist.
Alright, I think that's fine.
Yeah.
Alright, stand in there, very in there. Make sure you can get the top right.
Yeah, I used to have a channel. You guys might remember when he said subscribe to my channel. But my mom made me delete it. But if I still have, well, I didn't actually delete my channel. I just deleted my videos. So if you guys are still subscribed, thank you. Yo, yes, sir. He's at the top. Basically. Yeah, we just can't see your face. Yo, I don't think your mom would like that very much. Yo, I didn't catch it. The leaves were in the way. We need to do that again. Retry. No. Okay. Alright.
Okay guys, so we're going to be exploring since we're not the best mountain bikers and filmers.
What?
I said and filmers. That was intended for you. Okay.
Bro, but first let's film me going down the hill. And real quick,
And we can compare whose film is better.
I bet it's gonna be you. I'm gonna try to hit this jump, guys.
No way. So you want me to film the jump? You're not gonna chicken out though. Alright, don't run over my bike either. This is the most I can. Bro, don't go yet. Hold up. I'm gonna cut it. Hey, you're clear! Oh my god, bro. He's gonna jump this. Here he. You missed!
I couldn't even see it.
Try it again. Try it again.
Try it again, so.
What?
You didn't try it again.
Bro, that's because of your bad film work. Go. Go again. Go
Let
again.
me do some exploring first.
Bro, you're the hot guy. You gotta do this.
Wait, guys.
This.
How about this? This video gets a bunch of likes, however many is a bunch for him.
No, no.
We'll make it
Get up
of
there.
me jumping.
No, no, no. Chicken. Boop, 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 boop. Na, 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 na.
I will die if I do this.
No, you won't. You're the best bike rider I know.
That's done.
Yes, go. Turn around and do it. Bro,
If
I
I
think your
miss-
ex is watching again.
If I make this, you guys have have to subscribe, and if I don't make it, you have to like because I tried.
No, you get to unsubscribe because unsubscribe to his channel. Yay! But it's all for the girls. The girls. Alright, I'm gonna be pointing to it when you come down, okay? Famous last words. Go! If he's coming. Yeah, you did it! Yeah, you kind of like jumped it, but then like you kind of like rolled over it.
Oh no! What I found, I had this for a CRC.
Nice, bro.
I'm gonna keep this.
Alright, put that on your bike. Alright, leave your bike in the woods. Leave your bike right there, okay?
Alright, I'm gonna leave my new sign right there.
I'm gonna leave my helmet there too. Where's my backpack?
It's over there.
Oh. Since when, bro? I don't know. Hold up. Ew. Alright, let's walk down that way.
So guys, if all this tree stuff wasn't there, and all this wood, I was hoping to see this. We'll totally go on that.
Oh yeah, bro. You do? I do too. Ah!
You good?
No, I'm good. I'm not good. I'm bleeding. Oh, no. Bro,
Where are you bleeding?
so a stick just like fell face first onto me. Oh, what is this?
Yo, it's dried up on.
I don't know, bro. Hold up, let's sit right here.
Yo, but now we know not to follow deer tracks. Remember, if you guys watched the other video that we posted at the golf course,
That wasn't today, though.
yeah, but you'll know why we shouldn't follow deer tracks
Yeah.
or any sort of animal tracks. Yo, wait, guys, I see something.
Let me see. Yeah. Yeah. He throws stuff in every video. You suck. He comes up with an excuse for a bad throw every video too. Your shoe. Okay, guys. I think it's time to wrap it up, bro. The video up. Maybe not because we have to ride our bikes. But we probably could film another video. Turn your back on Mother Nature. Alright, let's go. Sucks for you. So guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Thank y'all for watching. Bye, Ugly. Say bye, Ugly. And we'll see y'all next time. Good.